welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. We got the downpipe going in today. All right, boys, we finally did it. This has been sitting in my room for probably like 2 weeks now. If you follow my Instagram, which you should, quick shout out to that. Follow my Instagram. You can see when I get car parts like this. You can stay updated with the channel. We got it. VRSF downpipe. We got a Mexico blackout night tonight, and so the goal is to try and get this installed before we go out. So there she is. Oh, damn. Quick quality check for the VRSF. Ignore the dirty engine bay. You know, it's the daily, right? We're gonna be getting out that thing down there. So we're gonna take off this intake. We already got the car jacked up nice and high. And so yeah, we're gonna get this all done up good. We got a quick update. Took out the intake. We get a look-see at the little turbo. There's the pipe right there. We're gonna be taking all this jazz off. We're getting the O2 sensors unplugged at the moment. And then we're just gonna go down there, take off a couple bolts and pop this bad boy off.
We're gonna get that one. And that one down there, boys. Oh, fucking. Bro, it's fine though. It's fine though.
We're good. All right, compared to the last time we did downpipes, we did them in Kevin's beam, right? This was so much easier.
Yeah, it's because you got a real mechanic here, bro.
Sorry, Kevin, you're getting roasted out here, but gosh, this was so much easier than the 550 for sure. We're gonna pop the new downpipe in and we're going racing, boys. Yeah.
Should we put on the sensors after? Do you tighten them all the way?
Oh my. So we've got the downpipe in. We've got the V-band on. Both the O2 sensors are getting plugged in ASAP. I don't know where each one went, so I'm gonna have to check the last clip, but this is looking real good. We might actually be able to make it to the race night. So we're gonna keep going. And just like that, we're all back together and downpipe's in, V-band's all the way on like it should be. No exhaust leaks. O2 sensors are in, everything's torqued, exhaust is good. I think we're gonna go for the first start. We're gonna drop it real quick, we're gonna get nice and low, we'll be good. You got it? All right. Well, here, no, use my phone. Yeah, this is it. This is the start. All right, let's go. Reed packed with the goods real quick. Hooked it up because unfortunately the M240 is down for a little bit with no wheel. Let's see, does she fit? Yeah. Let's go. We finally have a center cap back and I don't look like a bum. It was really bothering me too because my driver tire. So I was like, I looked at it every time I looked at the damn car. Yeah, every time.
To fix it fast.
I know. Here, downpipe, ready? All right.
I'm in a Bentley coupe, do shit that he won't do. If I'm gon' flood my wrist, then I'm gon' flood hers too. She said she love my style, it go well with her smile. I need
Should we eat her up? The ISF snack real quick?
No trust if you don't listen, them Zennies got her tripping. You need to cool it now, cause you a new addition. Lights off when I walk through.
All right, if you're part of Kevin and I's friend group and you don't have a nice car, you're out. That's it. That's it, you're out.
That's fucked. You can't say that.
Ain't no broke bitches in the squad. Probably the most broke one in the
If you're
squad.
in the top tax bracket, you're out.
He's a little good at that.
I'm surprised that thing can burn tires.
I know, right? Super backed up. Oh my god. His side skirt flopping. Oh my gosh. The way the side skirt just flops. I did donuts here once. Ready, Kev? Say what?
You have to stay on the gas to keep it spinning, you know?
Huh?
Yeah. It's too much weight.
Like you could do donuts.
Alright, everybody get out.
Badass moment.
Send me your address, I'm tryna pull up to the morning. Yeah, nothing left for me in California but water. Yeah, send me your address, I'm tryna pull up till the morning.
Brother, this guy stinks!
I get in my feelings when I'm poured up. Send me your address, I'm tryna pull up till the morning. There's nothing left for me in California. I was everywhere before I said